So what I did to make my creative work is, so in the user.dat I had to add another option to it. Same thing with the sterilize, deserialize, and the constants down here. So in the my Firebase, I just added a update image. That way I can update it in the database. It's pretty much the same thing, or exactly the same thing as create profile, or create profile. So I can go ahead and show you. So this is mainly most the same, just kind of standard setup with the cache network image here, which if this is null, which if you haven't added an image previous to it, it's going to show up null, and it will just be the exclamation point with a big circle around it. Here you can show just some. Then I had the validators and then my button to update it. So here, validate image, it just checks to make sure it starts with HTTP. Doesn't matter if it's HTTP or the secure version of it. It saves it here. Then here, if it's not validated, it just keeps going until it validates. Once it actually validates, then it comes and saves it. For me to update the picture, I just made it to where if the URL was not null, because if it was still null, then it wouldn't have updated. Then I called my update image here, or I try to, and if it doesn't, I set everything back to null.